I was thinking that in case if female population increases and male population decreases, so female can have 2 or 3 husbands.
That's a very good question. You have the hypothetical question. But Almighty God, who's our creator, He knows better than you and me. He's our creator. And the reason, because God has made the woman a stronger sex. She is medically more stronger than the man. You know that? I'm a medical doctor, sister. Medically, a woman can live for longer years than a man. We think the man is strong. Physically, man is strong. But medically, the woman is stronger. She lives longer. Her longevity, the average span of a woman is few years more than a man. There are less deaths in the pediatric age group. And regarding your main question, that Islam allows polygyny, a man to have more than one wife, but does not allow polyandry, that is a woman to have more than one husband. Why? The reason is that if a man has more than one wife, and if a child is born, you can easily identify who is the father and who is the mother. But if a woman has more than one husband, and if the child is born, you can identify the mother, but you can't identify the father. So if you go to admit your child in the school, what is the name of the father? You may have to give 2 names. Now we know that medical science is advanced. By DNA, genetic coding, we can come to know who the father is, but that is now, not in the past. Islam is there since time immemorial. And this is not the only reason. Furthermore, there are various other reasons. Man is biologically more sexual as compared to the woman. Thirdly, a man can do the role of a multiple husband as compared to women doing a role of multiple wives. Because she undergoes menstrual cycle, there are various psychological changes, which it will be difficult for her to do the role of multiple wives. And furthermore, today's science tells us that if a man has more than one sexual partner, and if they're loyal to them, like if a man has more than one wife, more than one sexual partner, and if all of them are faithful to each other, the man does not, neither the woman develop any sexual transmitted disease. But if a woman has more than one sexual partner, if she has more than one husband, then the sexually transmitted disease will emerge. She will have that disease and she'll retransmit it back to the husband. So even medically, it is not good for a woman to have more than one sexual partner. Hope that answers the question.